How are you? I hope you're fine now because many of people, my friends, again to be more message me please. You will be making new video about this game. So I will be today completely explain you like with the 8 repeats game about because this is the more easily game now. Just I will be explain you all about this game and because new member when coming on my videos comment so they asking me again please making video about this game. So guys, this is the everything more easily now. Just I request you be end of watching this video. I will be completely helping to you. So never be skipping this video and I will be completely guide to you how to be complete to be this game through depth. So I hope you will be completely watching my video and request to you sharing this video every time everywhere because I need it to your support and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel every time. Okay guys, I be already download this game and be completely teach to you because sometimes people not to be completely watching my video then he can't understand now. I will be explaining you all about this game and I hope you will be completely watching my video and never be skipping now. I will be completely guide to you. I will be skipping little this video because loading now. Okay guys, I will be starting this game and I will be completely guide to you how to be complete to be this game meter depth. So little everything be explaining you because sometimes many people not to be using completely my video then he can't understand now what I will be asking to you guys when you will be starting this game. And this is the more important options for you. This is because this is the more important option why asking to you because if you clicking on these options and they're running now and be starting to be seconds little I playing this game and I will be more explain you. Okay guys you like be never skipping this x5 at the the video because they sometime working now sometime not to be working now but you never be skipping these ads. Okay, so guys because this is the everything more easily sometime why I asking to be all of people to be completely watching my video because I will give you best advice and strategy. So sometimes people not to be completely watching my video then he can't and anything understand now but my wish to be everything be explain you how to be complete to be this game meter them. So guys you will be first of all like be using click on x2 options because x2 options the more important for you. Oh my god, but it's okay because my reason to be explain you. First of all when you will be starting this game you will be using of the x2 x4 x everything options to be using now and before you will be clicking on these options to be starting now and using to be 200 seconds. Okay guys you will be starting this x2 options so I will be starting now and I will be completely guide to you how to complete to be these games. Oh my god, but it's okay and you will be forced to be using these x5 options. When you will be x5 options to be using then you will be more earns coins. You will be never to be skipping this x5 earns when you will be start like we click on x2 options because some of people sometimes not to be understand but my wish to be completely guide to you every time every day because this is the more easily game now. Just only using my strategy then you will be complete to be this game and easily to be receiving your get reward. But when you will be starting this game, your internet always to be active now, because sometimes people not to be active internet, so then he can't anything receiving your rewards. And then you will be starting now, and more foods you will be also be purchasing, because if you have more food, so then you will be more easily coins earn now. Because my touch not to be good working now, but you never be skipping ads like x5 x4 x2, and you will be more be purchasing be more foods. Maximum this time I have 767 more foods I will be purchasing now. So you will be also to be more foods purchasing now, because then you will be receiving more your rewards, because if you have more food, so then you will be more easily earn coin. Oh my god, but it's okay. Just to be I asking you everything to be about this game, and you will never be always to be skipping this video. And more foods you will be purchasing now, and before you will be also to offline earnings you will be purchasing, this time I will be hundreds minutes I will be purchasing now, and maximum be 120 150 you will be purchasing minutes, so this is the good for you. Oh my god, clicking on options and to be using x3 at the options, and clicking on, but you never be skipping x5 option, because this is the more important for you. So I will be again explain you something about this game. So when you will be starting this game, you will be using these options x2 option starting now, and before you will be more buy more food 67 maybe 670 you will be purchasing more food, and then you will be offline earning purchasing, you will be checking 102 may be minutes I will be purchasing, so you will be also to be uh, minutes purchasing now, because this is the benefit when you will be not to be playing this game, but you will be automatically playing receiving your rewards coins. So I hope you will be understand now, so please request you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.